first exercise in the book is called Clockwise Flow. And it's based on a pattern where you don't have any crossovers ever or any hand pushes. So, for example, if I was to play triplets and I would start with my right hand and I wanted to go to the floor tom, I got to either push that hand out of the way, really, and it's just, that doesn't work for me, or I got to cross over. So, the obvious solution for me is I'm just going to start with my left hand. What the premise is for the clockwise flow pattern. And what it is it's 3 notes, 2 notes, and 3 notes. It's a eighth notes is not too crazy, right? There's 8 notes and it works out. Now, there's a set of exercises called Know Your Orchestration. And what I do is I take it through, same with melodic stick control, through the different subdivisions. So I do that with triplets as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16th notes. So just kind of working through those different subdivisions is a great way to kind of get to know your orchestration. But now I'm going to put this to some music because that's where ultimately where it needs to go if it's going to have any value. So I'm going to play this just on the snare once because it's worth doing on all these exercises, but I'm just going to do it for this one only where you can kind of hear me try to really capture the phrasing. I heard a great definition of phrasing from a good friend, and that is just how we transfer energy from note to note. It's just really succinct, and it kind of cuts through all of the techniques, whether it be accents or articulation, just how we transfer energy from note to note. It was my good friend Kurt Curtis actually told me that from his dad told him that. Anyhow, I'm going to play this on the snare. Check it out. Yeah, I love Oscar Peterson, and it's just I think a lot of times as drummers we listen to too many drummers and not enough musicians, other axes. I just love Oscar Peterson's lick. He does this throughout his whole solo. Trap drags, the rudiment. That's kind of his rhythm, essentially. But if you single that out, and you play it Oscar Peterson style, it sounds like this. I'll play this now with the clockwise flow pattern, right? Just because for me it's ultimately about, can I play music with these patterns? So I'll give this a shot. So, yeah, it's super fun for me.